So I get questions about weeds all the time and how does the gray water affect with weeds and the subsurface. With a subsurface irrigation, you're irrigating from below and going up. So what's really cool about it is that you're not applying water on the surface, so you're not going to get weeds popping up on the surface. Now in the wintertime, because you have rain, you'll get weeds on that first spring, but once you pull those weeds out and you're basically done for the rest of the year. Because if I was applying water on the surface like a traditional irrigation system, I'm going to end up germinating seeds. But in this case, we're irrigating from below and going up. So the surface never gets water, so there's never an opportunity for the weed seeds to germinate. So that's how we control the weeds. Like on this garden right here, I spend probably about 4 days out of the whole year pulling weeds out of this garden, which to me that means a positive, because I'm not really big in going out and messing with weeds. I'd rather go out and pick flowers and kind of putz around the yard that way, or pick fruits and vegetables. So if you really hate weeds, prevent them from growing in the first place. Do a subsurface irrigation and you solve your problem.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a gray water system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions, and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.